Hello, my name's Pamela Peery, poet, rancher, attorney, wife, sister, friend. The name of the piece is Wake Up, Get It, Free Will's Gonna Hit It. Note to self, free will, it will kill. Alky cares not about free will, can't see that it will kill. Just one more pop, just one more pill, just one more thrill. Free will can kill. Preacher says booze'll take you down, and you frown, then you grin. It can't be true, you chant, I'm gonna win. Oh, yo. It'll take you down to places yet unseen, leave those in your wake to grieve, to cry, to wish that you would die. If you knew this ahead of time, would you change your mind? Not spend that dime on a bottle of shitty wine, a single moment, and you pay for the party for a lifetime. Owning up. Yo, daddy, you crossed that double line, an addict's trip not so sublime. Oxy, oxen free, don't lie to them, don't lie to me, 'cause you ain't free, maybe never, ever gonna be. You swerved in front of me. Perfect storm, an addict's norm. We got tangled up in metal and steel. You say it ain't, but this shit is real. Wake up, get it, free will, done, hit it. Your name adorns my weary soul. My head is heavy with its crown of thorns. I ain't no saint, I won't complain. I cause such pain, I'm not free. Will never, ever, ever be. From what addiction stole from you, from what addiction stole from me.